Tony sees a messy place. Trash is scattered in every space. He looks all around, junk is on the ground, worry on his face. Bins of colors stand so bright, teaching what is wrong or right. Plastic, paper too, sorting what to do, sorting what to do. Learning feels just right. Plastic bottles go one way, Tony sorts them every day. Clean and nice and neat, simple little feet, simple little feet. Paper sheets and card today. Paper sheets and card to do, fold them nice and do. Fold them nice and flat, put them just like that, clean and fresh like new. Bins of colors stand so bright, teaching what is wrong or right. Plastic, paper too, sorting what to do, sorting what to do. Learning feels just right. Metal cans go clink and clang, Tony sorts them with a bang. Into bins they go, now he surely knows. Learning feels so grand. Glass is handled with great care, Tony shows he's very aware. Gently place inside, gently place inside, safety is his guide. Shiny, clean and fair. Friends all gather round to see, Tony shows them happily how to sort it right, make the future bright. Teamwork sets it free, old things turn to something new. Magic happens right on cue, toys and tools appear, making smiles cheer. Dreams come shining through, park is green and clean once more, better than it was before. Birds and flowers grow, fresh winds softly blow, nature we adore. Tony stands a hero bright, making everything feel right. Recycle